Namaste, doctor.
Namaste.
Doctor, is there any Ayurvedic medicine for brain development? In that case, what is Illam's approach for that?
Yeah, it's a good question because right now people are running like anything for some brain boosters,
Yeah.
and we are seeing many advertisement also for brain boosters, and almost 90% of the parents are aware of that Ayurveda is having something,
Yeah.
and they might have heard about the Brahmi,
Mm.
right, what we say, Brahmi and other things are there, Saraswata, such things many know. But the thing is, where and when we have to give this brain boosters,
Yeah.
that nobody knows. If something related to this and autism and other spectrum disorders, people immediately go for brain boosters.
Yeah.
That's very wrong. That's why in our hospital we are approaching these kind of cases in three ways, because there are three ways of attending our brain, or we can touch our brain. The very first pathway is our nose. Hmm? And in Ayurveda it says it is the entrance of our brain. So we used to do some of the mind opening or channel opening kind of treatments, like nasyam, powder nasyam, and regenerative kind of nasyam. All those kind of treatments we will do. That is the one way of approaching brain. Second way of approaching, everybody knows some internal medications will work for brain.
Yeah.
And even in that case also, there is a specific quality of our body will not let go every item to the brain. There is a check post. So the things that has to cross that check post, that's called blood brain barrier. So the medicines should cross the blood brain barrier, then only it will act on brain. Actually speaking, in natural way there are only two items which cross blood brain barrier. The very first thing is our cow's ghee. In ancient times we used to know, it's not the cow's ghee that which we get right now, that is A1 cow's ghee. We are speaking about the pure desi cows, that is A2 ghee. That ghee is having more action on brain, which can cross the blood brain barrier. The second item is the colloidal gold, the pure form of gold. It's not the gold that we wear. The other one, the pure form, it should be processed and it should be shuddhi has to be done. And many are afraid of giving gold, as Ayurvedic medicines are containing gold. It's a myth that Ayurveda medicines, we are not taking gold as such. We are making the purified form so that it will be edible form. Body will process it and it will not cause any damage to the kidney. That is the second pathway, through the stomach. Third pathway is that we are doing through the enema. People know that enema, but they knew only that enema is giving something to clean the stomach. That is one type of enema. But here we use the enema with the oil and other medicated herbs. It is fortified in the oil, so that the concept is there is a relation between our intestinal flora and the brain flora. So once our intestinal cells are regenerated, even brain functions will be better. That's why in many cases we have seen that the presence of H. pylori and such conditions, this enema will give tremendous result. So that's why we need to attend in different ways. And the second way is through stomach. If we want to give any brain boosters, first of all we need to do the gut correction. So immediately in the first stage, if you give any kind of brain boosters, it may not be digesting, and body will not accept it. So that's why gut correction is the primary stage. Second stage, we will do these three process, so that it will be a holistic approach. That's what we do it in our hospital. Namaste.